Let's say you're an adult, 18 or older. How would you greet an official at the airport? Right, you will say Здравствуйте. And if you're at a restaurant and greeting a waiter, you will still say Здравствуйте. If you're checking into a hotel, what would you say to a person on reception? Again, you will say Здравствуйте. If there is a person doing their job, you would usually say Здравствуйте. And what would you say to a colleague of your age, someone that you see every day? You would probably say Привет. What about asking a taxi driver or someone passing by to show you the road? Would you refer to them as вы or ты? When you're approaching someone you don't know for the first time, you say вы to them. But if it's a kid, it's perfectly normal to say ты. And if you're at a bar talking to someone of more or less your age, would you say вы or ты? So being at a bar implies an informal situation itself, but sometimes it depends. If you're a girl, it's okay to say ты to people. If you're a guy talking to another guy, it's also okay to say ты. But if you're a guy talking to a girl, though it's not that crucial, but it's still polite to start with вы. Why it happens and what does it mean? When you're saying вы to a person, you're creating some kind of space between you and them. You're showing that you're not trying to get into their boundaries too soon. And when you're saying ты, you're attempting to kind of shorten this distance. So if you're trying to keep the distance, you say вы. And if you're trying to be more informal, you say ты.